That stuff's crack, but it's okay, you'll learn my way. The parent molecule of DNA is separated around by telocares. Replication books form, which are also called bubbles. This is gonna help the DNA double. RNA primer helps start up my rhyme, just like in replication with the 3 and 5 primes. The new strand wants something more than perfection, so it replicates in the 3 and 5 primes direction, that stuff's crack, but that's okay, you'll learn my way. On what I bet, after that short little rest. DNA replication is a continuous process, and nitrogen bases are put in place, and joining it with DNA polymerase. Listen to my rhymes, what I recommend. What goes opposite of the primate? It's a strand, and it's liking. This rhyme so good that it should be banned. DNA, that stuff's crack, but it's okay, you'll learn my way. On the lag, strand replication happens in bits. These parts are called Okazaki fragments. Polymerase extends the RNA primer by adding unit bases like it does item. Primer is removed by polymerase, and regular DNA takes the primer's place. Okay, fragments are joined by ligase. The molecule records with iRase. DNA, that stuff's crack, but that's okay, you learn my way.